We're Blue Ribbon School!
So today was our Blue Ribbon celebration and tour of the school. So we had a special performance by our band and our chorus. We had our Barnsley Bear, a lot of dignitaries, Lieutenant Governor, State Superintendent.
You are successful because of your hard work and everybody working together and respecting each other.
I want to thank you for all your hard work. Thank your teachers and administrators and all those involved. And when you go home, you thank your parents.
You've earned this award. You are one of 6 schools in the entire state to receive this award, and you've worked very hard to do it.
This is only for principals of Blue Ribbon Schools. It's the Blue Ribbon School Medallion of Excellence. Wow! Come on up here.
We're going to move this way. We gave a tour to our special guests of some of our second grade classrooms, some of our kindergarten classrooms, the building itself, and I think they were impressed with what they saw and understand why we won the Blue Ribbon Award.
When you are named a Blue Ribbon School, it is because what the school has accomplished, the access they've given kids, the progress students have made, and the levels of learning that they've shown for all students. It's a significant recognition of high levels of learning and the well-being and care of students.
I am so proud of winning this award because of the great teachers and students and all the staff that help all the students succeed.
We rock!